This is T.E.D tongue express DNA. This reposition tongue, and tongue has a sensor on the palate. This is incisive foramen. Here is a great palatine artery, great palatine nerve here, and here several nerves there. So tongue and the palate has a sensor. So here, incisive foramen, incisive papilla, there's an incisive nerve, and the great palatine nerve, there's several nerves. So this revision tongue, so this widen airway from here just like here, and there is no foreign body feeling, and this does not change occlusal and skeletal, and this does not change lower jaw. So just wear and just drink, and the tongue tip goes here and the lateral side goes here, and this one's last extension. This one's stimulated tongue moves forward upward. So, and this design can be changed for class 1 to 3 patient, deep bite or open bite. So it's very easy. Okay.